Sterling, there's a lot of talk about volatility in global markets, and I'm wondering if what's going to bring money into Australia to invest. Do you think money's coming into Australia, or do you think money's going out?
I think money should be going out of Australia. I'm a very proud Australian, so I don't want to be on record as bad-mouthing Australia, but there's some simple facts. We haven't had a recession since 1991. That's not natural. Real inflation is not what CPI have been told. And if you look at our listed equity market, which is the easiest way of gauging the health of a real economy, you take out the four big banks, which are definitely at
they represent almost half of it.
They're significant, and you take out the two miners, which have some issues. Yep, absolutely. You've got 46% of the market gone. Now, what is driving us above that? It's a hard question to answer, and there's more reasons to look offshore for growth than there is domestically.
There's also a currency issue, isn't there? That I mean, one of the lines I've been getting has been that for as long as the $8 is still sagging, there's very little point in overseas investors coming whaling in there, because they're only going to lose on one round about what they might gain on the swing.
Sure. Again, we've talked about the currency in these interviews before, and we made a very strong case that the Australian dollar is not backed off what happens to iron ore, the carry trade, which is the two general explanations, because iron ore has come down significantly and the dollar has actually gone up, not down during those periods. What's happened is the US dollar has refound its natural place.
So it's a relativity.
Absolutely.
Story.
Quantitative easing has stopped the repression of the US dollar. The US dollar has found its natural position again. The euro is recovering. Obviously, depending on what happens over the next few weeks, they'll have some volatility. And the yen and the Canadian dollars then sit behind as the reserve currencies, and Australia comes next. And as of last week, a very, very important point, Canada went into an official recession. Now, Canada has a bigger mining sector than we do, and they've gone into recession. And that should be a bad omen for us as well.
Right. I'll tell you what, I'll posit the notion that, let's say you're a global investor and you're not investing in China, because I know that you're very strong in China. Where would you put your money currently?
Still the US. The US still has a lot of room to grow, and we've got the 2016 election, and that's clearing the way for a lot of the fiscal gridlock that we've had issues with investing in continental US. Europe, definitely in Germany, has some real grass shoots coming through. Britain again, and different parts of Asia. And again, the Japan story. Japan has still been the best performing investment market in 2015.
Yeah, so in summary, not Australia. Not that we're in for any disasters, just that we're actually going to have a slight retracement.
I look forward to the Australian economy recovering, but we are not in a healthy position at the moment. And as an investor, you need to find the best and safest place for your investment capital.
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks very much.
Thank you, Andrew.